Get him up there, Tater. Psst, get that cat. Big old female, looks like. They got another one treed right above the road, so we're trying to get these 2 dogs out of here. Tater and Lady Bird. Let her go and let's see what they got above the tree. The track looked bigger above the tree, or that one above the road, so we'll find out. Leave her to run another day. Pretty cat though. Or go for another day. Get him up there, Tater. Psst. Get him up there, Lady Bird. Get him up, Tater. Get him up there. Good boy. Tater, he did good.